So in today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger switch accounts easily. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager in your mobile phone like this and wait a few seconds. It will start loading as you can see. And after that, wait a few seconds, scroll until you find the messenger right here and click on it. Click on force stop and then go to the data usage, scroll and disable the background data and the roaming data, enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data like this. Go back and then click on the storage. It will start computing as you can see. After that, click on clear data and delete, exactly like that. Now, last thing you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.